once men get onto TRT, do they have to work out? Because we always recommend it to them, but do they have to?
If you're going to ask me to answer this with bias, every man should have to work out, whether they're on TRT or not. The real answer is no, nobody has to work out, men or women. You don't have to do anything. You're an adult, you do what you want. You're not going to die if you're on TRT and you don't train. In fact, there's a ton of guys on TRT that don't train. I will say this, you don't get on TRT because you need to train or because you need to build muscle. You get on TRT because there's a lot of negative side effects to having low testosterone and low estradiol. Once you address those and fix those, will working out make you better, make you healthier, improve your emotional, mental, and physical well-being? The answer is absolutely yes. Are they prerequisites or co-requisites to replacement therapy? Absolutely not. You should be working out if you're not on TRT for the very same reasons I just mentioned. They're going to improve your life. Working out does not always mean getting in a gym and picking up iron. Working out simply means putting sufficient stimulation or stress on your body in a physical manner that expects your body to respond with growth and strength. We want to challenge our body because if you don't use it, you lose it. And if you're inactive and you're not doing anything, especially as you age, okay, sarcopenia is what put guys in nursing homes. As your muscles lose their ability to contract and extend under force, you become dependent. You can no longer tie your own shoes, you can no longer feed yourself, and you can no longer get out of a chair and take 5 steps to the bathroom. You need someone to do these things for you. And this is why people begin the process of dying from quote unquote natural death. It's degradation and the ability to no longer be mobile and dependent. If you want to extend, delay, and alleviate this from happening, you should be performing a functional level of exercise on a regular basis. Our bodies are machines. Long before we sat in chairs and did Zoom calls, we were hunters and gatherers. Our job was to find a cave and carve out so we can stay safe from the elements and out of harm's way from animals and other would-be attackers. Our job was to go out and gather things to put in our shelter, and our job was to go out to hunt and find ways to feed ourselves for energy. And all of these things are physical. We couldn't get on our iPhone and go on Grubhub and have a meal here in an hour. We had to physically be strong enough to go and get this. Now, just because the modern world has evolved into a state of allowing us luxuries does not negate the fact that our body was designed to do work. And the day you stop doing work, your ability to do work when you need it is greatly going to decline and be inhibited. So it's important for all men and women and children and living things, including animals, to get in sufficient exercise on a regular basis. TRT is mutually exclusive from exercise. If you do exercise and you have optimal biochemistry, the recovery and repair and strength of your exercise is going to be compounded exponentially together with sleep and nutrition. They go together beautifully. They are mutually exclusive and they don't have to be done together. If you never worked out before and you think that starting TRT is going to require you to work out, that is a completely flawed excuse to prevent you from becoming better. So address every single thing as you're able, and you'd be surprised. Once you start TRT and your mindset and your body starts to improve on its own, I think you're going to be a lot more motivated to get in the gym. So again, if you're sitting there and you never worked out, or you're just not feeling it anymore, or you're suffering injuries, and you know you need TRT, and you say to yourself, but I'm not ready to work out, I'll wait until I work out, completely backwards thinking. Get it done, fix yourself, and worry about the rest when you have the time to do so.